whether they are walking, standing, sitting, lying, or silent. Bodhisattvas neither dispense with nor forsake the states of meditative equipoise and calm abiding. Whether they are in solitude or not, their behavior is uncorrupted. Their hands are not restless, they do not talk nonsense, they do not speak too much. Their eyes and other sense faculties are neither distracted nor agitated, they do not indulge in idle talk, and they are constant physically, verbally, and mentally. They are content with their amenities of food, drink, bedding, mats, dwelling places, and medicines to cure sicknesses, no matter what they are. They are easily sustained, easily satisfied, and easily served. Their conduct and personal associations are virtuous.